Alright guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to learn about straight lines and the formula of y equals mx plus c. Typically students learn this formula in year 8 or year 9. That's when it gets introduced, and it's quite a foreign concept, so I'll walk you through it in this lesson. So this is y, this is m is the gradient, or it can be known as the rise over run. So for a straight line, let's say this one over here, however much it rises and runs, that's what you call the gradient. X is x and c is the y-intercept. Alright, once we do an example, you'll further understand what I mean. And one more thing guys, with the gradient, if the gradient is positive, then it's going to be like the black line, sloping towards the right hand side. And if the gradient is negative, it's going to be more towards the blue line, so it's going to go towards the left. So this is the negative one, this is the positive one. Alright, just keep that in mind when graphing. Alright, let's continue. Okay, so let's say we have an equation of y equals 3x minus 1. So this 3 is how much it rises, and obviously it's over 1, so that's how much it runs. Once we go up 3, we go across 1. But you don't write that because 3 divided by 1 is 3, as we all know. Okay. So before graphing this, you're going to have to find 3 points. The y-intercept, x-intercept, and another point. So let's start off with the y-intercept. For the y-intercept, you got to make x equals 0 and solve. So y equals 3 multiplied by 0 minus 1. So 3 times 0 is 0, minus 1 is minus 1. So our point on the y-intercept is 0, minus 1. We do the same for the x-intercept. X-intercept, well, it's the opposite to this. So we make y equal 0. Alright, we sub that in. 0 equals 3x minus 1. Switch 1 to the other side, we get 1 equals 3x. Then we got to divide both sides by 3. So divide this side by 3. You're left with x. And divide this side by 3. And your x-intercept is 1 over 3 and 0. Alright, pretty straightforward. But before we do that, I said we needed 3 points, correct? So let's sub in 1 into the equation to get one more value. So when x equals 1, y equals 3 multiplied by 1 minus 1. So we get y equals 3 times 1 minus 1, we get 2. And this point is 1, 2. So there are our 3 points. I took my time out to graph the line, and there it is. And what is very critical in this case is, and in all cases when you're graphing lines, is you've got to label the points and label your equation. A lot of my students have lost marks because they haven't labeled the line or any major points. So here we are. Draw a small arrow and make sure that's 0, negative 1. That's the y-intercept. The x-intercept is 1/3 and 0. The other point that we found was 1 and 2. And finally, y equals 3x minus 1. And there you have it. That's how you graph a straight line. Cheers, thanks for watching.